together, tailwind. But careful, it's okay.
Yeah.
Stand down with 537.
See? Not counting. The quick stop.
Okay, okay.
Quick stop, okay?
Not counting, okay.
Quick stop right now.
Quick stop.
Level.
Level up.
Just like that.
Okay.
Flare. Flare.
Flare, flare, down.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Okay. That's why if I say quick stop, don't say too much. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, count 313. Then your helicopter is moving. So small distance.
Okay.
That's why quick stop. Okay, quick stop. Okay.
Quick stop and
Don't be hesitative.
down collective.
Yeah. No, level today.
Level up, yeah.
Yep. Okay. One more time.
Okay.
The power. Your preparation to forward.
Forward.
Okay, the forward pedal. Smoothly the continue next section. Almost. Okay, are you ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, the quick stop level.
Level up.
Yep.
Level up.
Yeah, you are too much, right?
Okay.
That's why level.
Level up.
Then
And quick stop.
flare.
Flare, flare.
Yeah, you are too much. Small. You are too much.
Victor, hold us on a mile final, like 26 right.
Level. Just like a level.
Level up.
Flare.
Flare,
You are too
flare,
much continuous
flare.
one, right?
Okay.
We need half of the, action.
Half
You are-
of the
yeah,
action.
that's why you much too much action cycling.
Yeah.
Okay, one more time.
Slowly. More input.
Okay, just it's okay. Increase speed. Okay, show me a level.
Okay, level up.
Yeah, just adjustment. Yeah, climb right down. Just like adjustment.
level up.
Then flare, forward. Just like that. Every time you are okay. Quick stop. Too much, right?
Too much right, yeah.
You are keep level first.
Okay.
Level.
Level first.
Yeah. Then after you can get the level. Then after that 3 times flare. Small movement. Okay, just one more time.
Okay.
We're 537.
You anticipate the next action. Okay.
Okay.
Then the next action smoothly pedal. Then you have to next anticipate the next action. Okay, quick stop level.
Okay. Level up.
Yep.
Up.
Just like that.
Just like that.
See, you are too much flare. So easy, right?
Okay.
And the flare.
Flare.
No, flare. Flare. And forward.
Forward.
You are too much,
3 times for
Yeah.
flare. A
Just
little
like that.
bit. Okay. And level up for the collective down.
Little bit.
Yeah, little bit down
And
and
forward. Okay. Level.
level up.
Then flare.
Flare.
No, flare.
Flare.
Okay. Not flare.
Okay.
You are saying flare.
Okay.
You have to wait it. Okay?
2 or 4.
So you have to, think about the helicopter moving. Okay. Okay, one more time.
Okay, first.
Yep. That's why you are anticipating the next action.
Okay.
Oh, 527, can we request the option?
Okay, quick stop.
You work here for the option.
Level. Don't moving.
No,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just like that. And flare. Little bit.
Flare.
Flare. Then forward. Just like that.
Okay.
Then steep approach.
Steep approach.
Not straight. At this point.
Okay.
And looking very slowly. This, angle keeping. If you settle down, little bit, not bit up, little bit. Yeah, adjustment. Yeah. Then settle down again. Little bit.
Little bit.
Yeah.
Steep approaching.
Yeah. And hover.
Hover.
Crosswind. That's why let go left left. Not straight.
No straight.
Yeah, just like that. Okay, one more time. Quick
Okay,
stop.
one more time. Quick stop. Tail check. Tail
Yeah.
clear. And turn to left.
Over 10.
Over 10.
Okay, wind connection here.
Yeah.
Upside click.
Upside click. Oh.
Because have to stop.
Yeah.
Don't move. Please stop.
Stopping here?
Yes.
Okay.
I said that still, hover down.
Hover.
Don't move.
Okay.
Because you have to turn to the main rotor axis. Just
yeah.
like that.
Just like that.
Just like that. Just like moving. Outside click. Stop
Absolutely.
it.
Stop it.
Just like that.
Just like
your
that.
case, you know.
Ah,
Your
okay.
case, hover turn, hover turn, hover turn, hover turn, hover turn, hover turn, hover turn,
going
hover
forward.
turn, hover turn. Just like that.
Okay. I got it.
Totally different, right?
Okay, I got it.
That's why wind strong. That's why you're thinking every time.
Yeah.
Okay, hover.
Hover.
Yeah.
Hover.
Then please hover turn.
Okay.
Don't move. Yeah.
Okay.
And
don't move.
only do the swing in the helicopter.
Okay. Okay, clear.
Okay.
I turn to left.
Yep. Maybe wind direction here.
Yeah.
Don't move. Outside click. Oh, outside click. Outside click. Outside click. Outside click. Stop.
Cycling.
Just like that.
Okay.
See?
Yeah.
Then, okay. And hover taxi.
Okay, hover taxi.
And then wind pushing. That's why.
Okay.
Slow down. Outside click.
Cycling.
See? You understand?
Yeah, I understand. Much better.
Then speed up. Outside click.
Outside click.
Then walking speed.
Working speed.
Yeah. Please walking speed. You are, coordination on the speed.
After above
Okay.
1,500.
Then, yeah, that's why more,
Feel that are above 1,500.
I don't like the root of the, ground.
Okay, yeah.
That's why you, yep, hover. One more time, hover. This way. Hover. Stop the moving. Yes, stop the moving. Outside clicks.
Cycling.
Yep, pedal. Yeah, you have to fight.
Oh, yeah.
We requested. Okay, hover turn.
Okay, hover turn.
Then wind, right? Help turn swing back. So that's why you need a little bit more cycle.
Little bit more cycle. Okay.
Okay, first, please side hover. No, this way. Better adjustment. Okay. Okay, one more time. You are little bit down, less of the down. Only, right? Only small.
Okay.
Max takeoff. Don't.
max
Yeah.
takeoff, okay.
Don't. I don't like a normal takeoff.
Okay.
See? I teach you.
Okay. So first is maximum
Maximum
takeoff.
takeoff.
And-
Something like that.
Okay. Okay.
Because the distance is so short.
Yeah, so short from here.
That's why quick stop, not count 1, 2, 3, not count quick stop. Oh, quick stop.
Okay.
Okay, next action.
Forward cycling.
Yes. Then on the straight.
No straight.
Yes. Then next, speed up, right?
Speed up.
Okay, the next action. Okay, quick stop.
Okay.
Level.
Level up.
Pedal.
Flare.
No, level. More waiting, level.
More waiting.
Yeah, more waiting level. Because you are, escape to, control.
Okay.
You must control the level.
Level up.
Okay.
Okay. First maximum takeoff.
Yep. And next forward.
Forward.
Step it up.
Number 3, so back to sense approved.
Okay, quick stop.
Quick stop.
Level.
Level up. Level up.
Level. And quick stop.
Quick stop. Flare.
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 Then forward. Just like that. You need a more level time.
Okay.
Then step approach, please.
Step approach.
Yep.
Tower 637 back, okay, we make this one a short approach. Number 3, so back, cruise close. Cruise, thanks, 37 back.
Actually, the quick step way for the you and Christine and Lucas is really different.
Yeah. Because, the check ride, request a 3 coordination.
Yeah.
I don't like the style of the Christine and Lucas.
Really?
Don't forget it. Yeah, forget it.
Okay. I forgot it.
Yeah, because he can secant the technique, have the
Yeah.
technique.
Yeah.
So you need the, the more adjust the coordination. Just like the level,
level,
flare,
okay.
flare.
Christine told me the cycling the one time for the F cycling.
No, no, I don't like it. It's a special technique.
Special technique.
Yeah, that's why level.
Ah, that's the quick stop.
Yeah.
I thought the quick stop like a shoe.
No, it's just no level.
Level.
Flare.
Flare 3 times.
Yeah.
Okay.
Level. One quick stop including level, flare. You know auto rotation, level, flare. Same.
4 requesting left close traffic.
Auto rotation if one time, low RPM, boom! That's why this is an action that, a relationship with the auto rotation. Okay, and the max takeoff and the auto rotation.
Okay.
Max takeoff.
Okay, 1, 2, 3 green, F center, carpet time is auto yellow, carpet down. And no on your line, no push your line, tab green.
4 pad 4, clear land. Helicopter 4 Hotel Sierra, just taking
Max
off
takeoff,
on
please.
pad 4, clear to land now.
You know the how to preparation on the max takeoff?
Yeah.
Yeah, please.
Okay. First.
That's why today that I talking.
Maximum, okay.
Yeah,
takeoff.
maximum takeoff.
I thought the normal takeoff,
Okay.
sorry. Okay, anyway. RPM down for 75.
Okay.
Okay, from here, and friction on.